My name is Daniel Scalfoni and welcome to How to Troubleshoot Failed to Enter Lockdown Mode on ESXi 6.5. I'm recording this video for personal training and it will take about 10 minutes. This video is a best view for level 2 or level 3 engineer. So, let's start. In this video I'm going to enable or disable lockdown mode on ESXi host 6.5. And also I'm going to troubleshoot the warning failed to enter lockdown mode. Using the VMware web client under Manage, Security and Users, under Users, you can see the default root administrator. And under lockdown mode, you can see on Edit Settings the three different lockdown mode option that you can apply on this host. As you can see, in the normal lockdown mode, the DCUI service direct console user interface is not stopped. And in strict lockdown mode, the DCUI service is stopped. This is also useful if you're preparing your VMware certification exam. I'm going to enable the normal lockdown mode. Finding this warning, failed to enter lockdown mode, the request and change cannot be completed because it could leave the system without full administrative privilege for a user or group. What I'm going to do now using the vSphere client is to change the default password for the user DCUI You can also add a new user if you like. And verifying that the DCUI user has administrative privilege for this host. And as you can see, by design, on the host itself, it's not possible to configure the lockdown mode option. And what I'm going to do now is to add on the user exception list the DCUI user or any other user that you choose with administrative privilege. and logging on with this user on a new vSphere web client session. And now, using the DCUI user, I'm going to configure the lockdown mode for this host in normal lockdown. As you can see, the normal lockdown mode is now enabled. So you have seen that using the DCUI user, you can now configure the lockdown mode that is enabled on this host. And after a refresh, you can verify that the lockdown mode for this host is now back to a disabled state. And for the VMware certification point of view, it is also useful to know that you can stop the direct console user interface service to achieve the same result. And before to finish this video, let's test the strict lockdown mode. As you know, the direct console access has been disabled for a remote session, and also you have authentication denied if you are directly connected to the server. So thank you for watching this video, subscribe on my channel, and if you like, let's keep in touch through my website. Bye bye!